Hello, darkness, my old friend. It's called BFA again. I know the world quests are not fun. The Azurite neck is not cool. I am not farming anything anymore for you, well, because I play Final Fantasy. I am playing every day, wishing Thiefin would be with me. I say just install the game, be subbed and give it a try, because the in-game is dope as fuck. Because BFA's gay. Wrestling people, they will know. You should be coming over here. On Reddit, they're called WoW refugees. It's really sad for Blizzard, but we all know that it's super gay. Even PV. All you're doing is wasting time. In my game is super dope. Gear progression really shows. Catch-up mechanics are the shit. Raid bosses are amazing. And you don't have to log in every day just to play. Because WoW is super gay. Tell me why I do not know. Why they just don't steal everything. Because Square Enix is the greatest. They know exactly what to create. WoW stole our pet cycle and they took it. And you loved it. The originality comes from Yoshi to P.